Yeah, you guys can screen share stuff now. Are you outside?
What's that?
Are you outside?
I am. Yeah, I'm on a little back patio right now
Uh,
behind my house. Is there any background noise or?
no,
Okay, cool.
this looked cool.
Yeah, I love sitting back here.
Yesterday there was like terrible weather at Williamsburg. I just made one of the streams go down.
Mm.
Looks pretty sunny where you are.
Yeah, I'm actually like 5 minutes from campus right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I live right next to Lake Matoka.
Feel free to start whenever you want.
Sure. Hey, so yeah, my name is Tyler. I'm one of the co-founders of Memberstack. I'm actually alumni of William & Mary, graduated in 2018, and yeah, I can remember sitting in on, or always having a lot of fun on the hackathon. So really excited and fortunate to be able to be on this side of the hackathon, and very thankful to have been invited to do this. So yeah, to tell you a little bit about Memberstack. So we're essentially a authentication company. So we're trying to build software to make it easier for developers to add user accounts and payments to websites. It's something that I started working on actually just right outside of William & Mary. As soon as I graduated, started working on it with a friend. And yeah, we've been going at it for, I guess it's been about 2 years now. And right now we have a team size of 10. And we are hiring, and I could probably explain a little bit more about that at the end of the workshop. So if anyone is curious or is looking for a software engineering role, please check us out. I'll see if I can post a link somewhere. But yeah, in this workshop, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sharing how to build a custom website super quickly and be able to actually add user accounts and payments to that website super fast. And I think we've got this timed where we can do all that in 45 minutes. So my hope for this workshop is anyone that's watching this or anyone that watches this later will know how to actually build a website that they can launch in no time. And I have Josh with me. Hey, Josh.
Hello.
So Josh is one of the team members at Memberstack, and he is the Webflow / Memberstack guru. So he's actually going to be, yeah, doing the workshop.
All right. You ready to get into it?
Sounds good.
Right. Let me see if I can share my screen. Screen share. Is this working on your end? Are we good? Yep. All right. Awesome. Cool. This is what we're going to be making today in Webflow. We have a home page, and then we have Memberstack installed on it. Super easy to do. Log in. We got a sign up here. We got another about page, and then we also have an app page that's being hidden with Memberstack that you can't see up here yet right now. So what we're going to be using today is Webflow, which is a visual designer for development, kind of. I've been developing for a long time, and this cut my development time in half by using this tool. And you're able to export this and then edit any of the HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and everything like that. All right, so they also have templates that you can just download and use. And most of these are free, which is amazing. Super easy to do. Just get your hands dirty with them. Today, we're going to be using Flamingo's Hatch, which is right here. And we're going to go ahead and clone this and then start building it. Super easy. It's so much fun. Okay, so let me get out of this, and I've already done this. So this is Webflow right here. This is all visual designer. We got the body. Over here is all the CSS. We got pages over here. And this is like a complete just literally just copy that hatch into here. And now we're just going to start editing it and making it. So today we're going to do a, what is it, Astley? We're going to do like a SaaS website, which is going to be really cool. So this is going to be about, and all I'm doing is just double clicking on these things. And you can see it in the navigator over here that they're links. And I'm able to like edit anything in here. Okay, so about, let's do a login. Let's do a sign up. Sign up, and then I can just copy and paste in here as well. So we got login, sign up. What do we need? A profile and a log out. Come on. There we go. Log out. And we're going to need an app too. Let's go just do this app. And then we can rearrange these. So we can do the profile on the end here. And then the app in here. We're going to be editing these later when we start installing Memberstack. But for now, this is it. So let me go ahead and just copy this so I don't have to sit here and type for you guys. There we go. There we go. This is going to be sign up for free. And with these links, they actually link out to different things. So now what we need to do is add these as symbols. So in Webflow, you can actually make symbols. So when you use a symbol on a different page, anytime you edit that symbol, it edits everywhere. So this is something I would love to do real fast to get everything. And this is everything about this hatch project in here. I'm going to delete that as well. And then I'm going to get the footer and create a symbol. Footer. Okay, so that's done. Now, let me scroll back up. Okay, so that's done. Now we need to copy this page. We're just going to clone it real fast. This can be like the about page. Create that. Create that. I'm moving too fast, I think. Okay. Now, I'm just going to name that right there. Now I need to do a folder. So we're going to hide this folder with Memberstack is going to be able to hide this entirely. So if you do create your own app, you're able to put all your code in this folder, and everything inside that folder is going to be hidden until somebody logs in or signs up, which is super cool. All right, let's get rid of this. All right, we can change this image here. Something cool like that. All right. Oh, no. Let's do this one. There we go. And then we can go back to the home page. So right there, we made a whole bunch of pages. We're almost ready to get going. Go ahead and...
Yeah, and one thing that's really cool about Webflow is not only can you change like the images, but and also change the text, but you can also change the design of it. Like really, you can your imagination is the limit here. In terms of like the styling you can do, you can reorder things, you can move things. Like it's you can make it look however you want it to look.
Yeah. So let me go back here, and I'm just going to add just a basic little thing here. Whoa. App here. And then we can, I'll show you the CSS here. We can just make this into a flex box and center this thing. Ta-da! All right. Now, what we can do is, got everything, got about, let's get into Memberstack. This is super cool. All right, let's go here. Let's go Memberstack. This is Memberstack. It's so pretty. And we do have a lot of modals just built in they can use. It's awesome. I'm trying to go quickly. So Tyler, if you want to talk about that real fast while I get started here.
Yeah, I feel like we're good on time. So.
And then I'm going to create a website in Memberstack, and I'm not going to accept payments because I'm just trying to make it fast. All right, first thing we need to do is create a membership.
Yeah, I guess one thing I'll say about creating a project in Memberstack is that a project is essentially a website, and not only can you add Memberstack to like a Webflow website, but you can also add it to practically any website, even if it's a custom website that you're hosting yourself.
Let's go ahead and add a member in there. This is all super easy on Bob at barker.com. Barker. Okay, now we have our first member. We have a membership. Now what we need to do is actually integrate Memberstack inside Webflow. And these are separate things. You don't have to use Memberstack in Webflow. Right, let's get our install code. And I'll show you how easy this is. We're going to copy here. We're going to go back here. I'm going to save it just in case. And then we're going to go project editor. We're going to go to custom code. And we're going to paste that in the head tag right here. All right. There we go. Memberstack is installed. Yay! Is that easy? Now what we need to do is we need to start showing and hiding things with data attributes and links. So let's go here. There's a lot of things you can do, but I'm trying to do this fast. So we can go to links, and we're going to get this login right here. And we're going to go here and external. Yep. There we go. Now we have a login, and I'll show you that here shortly, just to show like that Memberstack's working.
And essentially what that link does is it tells the Memberstack script when someone clicks on this button that says login to actually launch the login module.
Right. So I can do here is authenticated false, so I'm not logged in right now. Now I can click on this, and I can use that I just created. Now I'm logged in. Yay! Now I can show you that we are logged in. So it's authenticated true. And with that, we get the member object, which has information. We also have inside here, if I go to sign up, we can add custom fields like custom data. They're all strings. So you can add like name, URL, all that fun stuff in here. And then that's the member object that can store all the information that you can use in your website or app. Okay, so now I need to get all of this going. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to have app. Right now, if we go to app, oh, it goes there. Hold on a second. Let's fix this page, and then inside our app page, publish it. Go. All right. Now refresh. If I go to app, all right. So it goes to the app. That's working. Now let's hide that so that nobody can go there that's not logged in. All right. So links. No, that's under memberships. Member only content. Hide content. App. Then app. Then there we go. Now, if I go back here and let's do a logout button first. I need to log out. So log out is down here.
And Josh, when you get back on the memberships page, can you explain the lock icon, how you can like lock and unlock the content?
Yes. We just get this going, and let me get these links done real fast, and then I can do that because this is already open. So let me just get all the profile and everything working.
So yeah, so essentially what's happening here is just associating buttons with certain links. So Memberstack knows what button should should do what.
Page, about page, this is done, this is done, this is done, and then sign up. Now we need to go back to the memberships. And if I go in this membership, you'll see that this is a little lock icon. We can actually add different member-only content for each individual membership that we make, or we can do anything we want with this. We can turn this off, and then that app won't be hidden at all. Or we can add additional members-only content here. What's an example that we could use for that? Trying to think off the top of my head.
I think like traditional like SaaS products, you usually have like some sort of like basic tier, and then you have a standard tier, and you have a premium tier. So with Memberstack, when you're setting up your membership, you can create content that should only be accessible to like basic members, and then the same for standard and like premium members. And yeah, as long as you have your project set up accordingly with a folder or a page for each plan, then we enable you to do that through to the hidden content.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. All right, so I got all those data attributes and links in here. Well, links right now. I'm going to do data attribute in just a second. So let's go ahead and refresh this. Now, if we try to go to the app, are we logged in? I think we're still logged in, right? Yep, we're still logged in. So let me go back. Now I can use the logout, try to go to app, and it doesn't go, which is awesome. What we can do is we can let's do login. Okay. Okay. Now we're here. Let's go to the home page again. So we're logged in. We see a profile, which is from Memberstack, which is awesome. It shows our membership, and we can log out here. But we also see the sign up. We want to hide the sign up, so then only people who are logged out can see a sign up, because we don't want to confuse our users. So let's go ahead and do that. Go into attributes, and there's. You want to explain all these while I do this, Taylor? There's so many things that we can. I don't know what to talk about and what to focus on. I'm just kind of building.
Yep. Yeah. So through attributes, we try to make it where you can make your website like really dynamic just by adding certain attributes to it. So for example, if maybe like the easy example is like if there is some sort of content on your website that you only want to be visible for certain members, then as simple as giving that content a data attribute, and the Memberstack will automatically handle showing and hiding that content based on who's logged in at that time. So it really makes it easy to create dynamic websites. And another thing that you can do through data attributes is, for example, if you are collecting a member's name, for example, and you want to display their name and their site, then we provide a data attribute where you can essentially say, put the member's name in this element, and Memberstack will automatically populate information to the page.
All right. So what I'm doing right now is I'm hiding for people. Well, I did that wrong. Let me go back. I'm hiding and showing based on if the member is logged in or not. Okay. Now, this should all work well. Okay, so if we go here and we go home, refresh. Okay, so now we see about, app, profile, logout. That sign up's gone, which is awesome. We can go inside the app, which is awesome. We got the profile. We can also, still go to the about here. Now let's log out, and then you see about, login, sign up. You don't see the app or the logout or the profile. Memberstack's doing that all for you. Yeah, so you're able to sign up. And is there anything I'm missing, Tyler?
Well, I guess one thing I'll add to this is that, so in this example, the sign up is free. So in this particular SaaS product, like whoever is building this, they just want their members to be able to sign up for free. But if you really wanted to be able to accept payments and charge for access to that app, essentially what you can do is you just connect a free Stripe account to Memberstack, And as a gateway, what you're able to do is in the memberships, you can just say require payment, type in how much you want the membership to cost. We have several different options where you can offer a free trial, you can have an expiration, collect taxes, all that fun stuff. And then what would happen is when a member signs up, we would actually display essentially like a checkout. And Josh, I think we might have time if you want to show how to do that.
For a paid plan?
Yeah, or
Okay.
it's up to you.
See if I can do it. The price is going to be $100. We're going to do it monthly. I don't need a free trial. Yeah, I'm going to turn this on. So I'm going to hide app for this or use this members only content for the paid membership as well. And after sign up is going to be /app, and then was app page, I believe. Let me look real fast. Oh, I was trying to get this. There we go. App page. Yes. Okay, cool. So I'm using that page. So after sign up, it's going to go straight to there. And I can also do that after login as well. All right. Now let's save this. Now we have a paid membership for $100 a month. I'm going to copy this sign up link here. Pretty much the same thing I did for the other thing. The other one, let me go home. I'm going to change this button, move myself out of the way. And we're going to use the other membership here. Okay, got that. And then we can do the sign up here too. There we go. And then let's publish this. Go. Yes. All right, cool. First page here. Now when I click on this and I sign up, Bob 1. Now I have a modal where I can pay $100. This is a test mode because I don't have Stripe connected or anything like that. I'm still in test mode. I haven't published this website yet. And then I can confirm and pay. I go to that. And then in here, if I go to members, you'll see that I am in a paid membership, Bob 1. I can see all the information for that member. And yeah, that's how easy it is to do a paid membership. Super amazing stuff. Tyler, you are amazing. Is there anything else?
Yeah, let's see here. I guess we could, yeah, I think so we're in at 23 minutes. I think we're still good on time. Yeah, I guess we could definitely, I think it would be good to show how you can actually export the code out of Webflow. I imagine everyone looking at this video, probably developers, are probably really interested on the actual coding side. And yeah, so Josh, if you want to show that, I think that could be pretty cool.
And the code for this is pretty clean. What you do is that once you have everything set up, you can just go up here and get all the code. It's loading right now. There we go. And this is what it looks like. And I'll show you a little bit better here. You click on prepare zip, and then you download it, and then you can open it up in Visual Studio Code. And this is what it looks like. It's super super clean. In the past, when I was freelance developing, I would strip everything from Webflow out and then use something different. But it's really simple to do. You can see that we have all of our data MS content, data attributes in here. We have all of our Memberstack links in here. We have Memberstack already in the head because we copied and pasted it there. Yeah, it's pretty clean. So what I would do in the past is you'll see some, I'm trying to find an example here. I made this really clean. Sometimes there's some IDs that are randomized, and you would just like get rid of that, especially when you're using interactions, which is like making the website move and interact with users. Yeah. But what I would do is I would strip everything out, and then I'd use like something like GSAP, which is like an animation JavaScript library, and do anything I wanted with it. So I would just use Webflow for just like quickly like throwing divs in and creating like the structure of the site, and then I would export it like this, and then I could just quickly go through and edit it. and it made my development time cut in half. It was amazing. I fell in love with it as soon as it came out. But yeah, it gives you the about, index, the JavaScript is all in here. jQuery is also integrated with Webflow. It gives you all your images, all the CSS here.
Yeah, so Webflow is a great way to actually get into web development, because especially if you're really good at like back-end development and you're really good at creating like APIs and you just need to provide a front end to your back-end work, Webflow is like a great point to do that, because as Josh said, that you can design everything visually in their editor and then just export all the code, and you can always host the code yourself. So it's actually a really good way to even learn HTML and CSS. If there's anyone who would want to do that. It
beats the days where I started, where it was a piece of paper and squares. That's what I used to do. And Notepad++. All right. Is there anything else that we can add in here real fast for some value?
Yeah, let's see here. Let's check the time. I'm gonna make sure we're not going over. Okay, so it's 26 minutes. Yeah, I think we still got a little bit of time.
I did that a lot faster than I thought I was gonna do.
Well, Josh, do you want to maybe dive in a little bit deeper on the Webflow side and show how to maybe tweak the design?
Yeah, sure, we could do that. Should I use Hatchet? So this framework right here, this clonable project has a whole bunch of additional classes that has been added. Mackenzie Child, who created this, is amazing. But you don't necessarily have to use that. Yeah, what we can do is we can just go to this page, and I can just start making something, I guess. Let's get rid of this. Let's go here in the body. Let's add the symbols that I made earlier, right? Come on. That's interesting. Let me add something here. Now let's add nav. Okay. Footer. Okay, the footer's working. Don't know why the nav's not working. Let's go back here into the home. And let's copy that. Then go in here. Go. It's up here. I have this set as, there we go, a flex box. Now we can take this and we make this as like a content section. So we just content. And all these blue things is from Hatch, the project that I'm using. Mackenzie Child added all these, so it's like super easy to use. But you can create your own classes and IDs. Content wrapper, and we can adjust the height of this so it can be like 50 view height if you wanted, just to give you some space. I don't know what to put in here. We can add anything you want, really. Do I have enough time to do a custom sign up or login?
Let's see here. So I think we're 30 minutes in. Yeah, I think you probably do, honestly.
Okay, so I'm going to create a custom login for Memberstack in Webflow real fast. So let's go ahead and I'll copy this or clone this, and then this is going to be login, and then create. There we go. I can get rid of this stuff in here. Here, let's go ahead and add a form, a little form block, and then this can be there we go. Password, and then we can make this into a password here. There we go, and then this is email. Password. Okay, now we can just drag and drop these. Email, submit, name this, login, All right. Now what we need to do is put Memberstack on this form. To do that, we're gonna go to Forms and Fields.
Yeah, and essentially what this is doing is for the folks that don't want to use the modals that ship with Memberstack. If you want something that's totally custom, this is how you do that. So you essentially, yeah, create your own form, and then you can attach Memberstack to that form. So you don't have to see those modals pop up.
Yes. And then you can style the form any way you want, which makes it super powerful. All right, now we got the sign up. Now we need to add these fields in here. Do that, we can just go here, we look at these fields, and then it has everything in here. Data MS member, email, and then this one's gonna be password. So let's do that. Add the stat attribute, and then this is what, email, and this is gonna be password, and then we can make this look any way we want. Is there a card in here? Let's create it. Okay, let's edit this background color. Let's make this what? Oh, not that color. All right, there we go. We'll add some padding here. Whoa, hey. Go. We can oh, there's so many things that we can do. We can do a border radius, pixels. There we go. We can add a border here, pixel, a little darker border. There we go. And then we can add a box shadow here. This color.
And what's really nice about Webflow styling menu is everything you adjust in the menu is actually adjusting real CSS. So if you were to export this, you would get the CSS of what you're editing visually.
Yeah. Log in. Go. It's huge now, but what we can do is we can create another div in here. Just add everything to this div. And we can do a max width of go. And then inside of here, we can make this center. There we go. Now let's publish to this. Oh, I forgot to change the login. So let's do that fast. Now this login is going to.
And did you already add the actual form element?
What do you mean?
The let's see here, the data
Here?
S
Yep.
form log. Oh, yep, cool. We're good.
I'm just that quick. Just that quick. I've been doing this a lot. All right, so let's go back here. This is published now. Now, if I go to login, it should go to the login page. I think I'm still logged in. Okay, there we go. And then bob@parker.com.
I think this is actually a sign up form right now on that.
Oh, yeah, it is, huh? Okay. Well, let's just do Bob3 or Bob2. All right. So if I go here now, I'm logged in. I just created a new thing. This is going to be sign up instead of login. There we go. Now we have a sign up instead of a login. Super easy.
Cool.
And yeah. I didn't rename that page, but anyways, that's how to create a custom form in Webflow. They can use with Memberstack. Is there anything else? How are we doing in time?
You know, I think that's probably a pretty good overview of Webflow, just kind of like how to work with it and how easy it is to design websites and yeah, create websites with Webflow. I guess, Josh, do you want, let's see here. Yeah, I guess to maybe close things out there, I guess there's two things I want to say. And that is Memberstack is hiring right now. So currently we are trying to hire for a backend software engineer. So if anyone is curious and seeing that job description, so Josh, if you go to Memberstack's website and just click on careers, just to show folks where to find that.
Go.
Careers. There we go.
Careers. Here we go.
Yep. Cool. So right now this is one of the positions that we're trying to hire for, but in the next 7 to 10 days, there will actually be 3 or 4 more development roles on our website that will be opening up shortly. So that was one thing. And then the second thing is, I'm not sure where this link will be, but we'll try to make this link visible somewhere. But essentially, we want to give everyone a coupon code where if anyone wants to use Memberstack, essentially we're going to give you guys a coupon code where you can use Memberstack for free forever. So any future project that you have where you want to use Memberstack on it, like we'll just have a coupon code for you where you can just use it for free. That coupon code is Tribe Hacks. So on our plans page, that's where you can use it. But yeah, I'll try to see if we can figure out where to add that as a link so everyone has it.
Mm-hmm. And do you want to talk about the development program?
Oh yeah, good point. So yeah, right now the product that we just shared is we're calling it our version 1 product. It's what we've had live for I guess almost 2 years now. But we're actually in the process of essentially rebuilding Memberstack. We're calling it Memberstack 2.0, and it's a lot more developer focused. So we're trying to add a lot more functionality out of the box. It's in alpha right now. So if there's anyone that's interested in web development and just curious to check it out and play around with it, definitely request early access. Because like I said, right now it is in alpha, and we are looking for developers to give it a spin and just to let us know what you all think.
Awesome.
Well, yeah, this was fun. I see where I don't think we have any questions. So I guess we just
no questions.
Leave it at that.
Oh, shoot. I love questions.
Yeah, I guess. Thanks everyone for your time.
Thank you.
Great.
And you can get a hold of me at MS Josh Lopez on Twitter if you ever have any questions about this stuff. Feel free to reach out.
Great point. And if anyone wants to reach out to me to ask literally about anything, then it's tyler@memberstack.com. So sweet.
I'll end the live stream. Yeah.